Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make illustration text effect in Photoshop. So let's start with it. So we will choose any type of blank canvas. For this we are choosing YouTube thumbnail blank canvas. So height will be 1920 cross 1080. The width cross height would be 1920 cross 1080. Resolution you can keep it as 72 or you can change it to 300, 192 or whatever you require. So I am keeping it to 72. So let's start with it. First of all I will click on Ctrl+0 to make the outlines a bit zoomed out. So after that I will come to the text effect here. I'll click on the text and I will keep here Arial font by default, which is coming here. So and I will write here illustration. Okay, I will keep in bold here, no issues. You can keep it on normal also, that will not be a problem. So let's change the size to 72, which is the highest for here. So we'll just rename it, we'll make it center. Okay, and we'll duplicate it, and this one will write illustration top. Okay, so clicking here we'll come to edit and we'll click on this free transform here, and from here we will work on this angle and this height. So I will change the angle to 30 and the height to -30. Okay, so this is done here. So I will work on this center. I'll click on apply and work on the center, and for this I will keep the angle as 30 and height also as 30, so that I can create this type of effect here, as you can see in the image. So as you can see, it is creating a step effect here. So for this below one, top one, and bring it here as below. Okay, so you can just do it, just drag it just below the center and just bring it here, make it a bit spacious. Okay, now this is done. So we need to change the color so that it becomes more prominent here. So for the top we will keep the same black color. For the center I will change the color. So for the center I will click on effects, color overlay, and I will change it to something in this shade. Okay, so the shade you have to remember it because we will be using it another time. So it's 00D2FF. Okay, we'll make it this one. So for our easy method, let's write it here. So that we can remember it in a better way. So after the design is over we can delete it anyway. So for this is done. For below we will again change the color. We'll go to color overlay again and make it something in the gray areas. So it's B1A FA8. So we have to remember that again. So it's B1A FA8. Okay, so these are the two color shades we have used here. So for this, now for this part, as you know it, So we'll write here text effect. Okay, so for that let's bring it here. It will be the center. Let's duplicate it and write here top. Okay, so for the top let's do the first time. So we'll do it here -30 and do it here 30, as it will flatten this, and click on apply, and we'll apply directly to here. Okay, so for the similar one I will do it in this one. I will go to edit, click on free transform, click on -30, and this time we will click on -30 again and place it right here. And we'll just duplicate it and write here below, and we'll just bring this layer here. As you can see, the effect is done. Now to change the color, so to change the color for the center, we'll click on this color. As you can see, we have written the color. As I said it previously, we will use the same color shades. So we'll go to this command and we'll write here 00D2FF, and we got the color shade here. And for this below one, B1A FA8. Okay, so we'll go to color shade here and we'll write here B1A FA8. And as you can see, this effect is done, and you can also do it the same illustration way, and you can, if you want, you can place it here in this way or in that way. It's all upon you. So you'd like here, you can place in this way, or like you can place in like this one. Let's bring it all here. You can place it like this also, but according to me this looks better than the other one, so I will flip in that way only. Okay, so this is the whole tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you face any type of difficulty, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out. Thank you.